Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can separate first and last names in Google Sheets. So use this if you have a list of names like uh, like first and last name in one cell and you want to separate them, that is first name in one column and then the last name in second column. So what you're going to do is highlight basically columns contains the full name, just like that, and then go to the top menu and select data and then split text to columns. I will select here by space, so like that, and as you can see now we have separated, but as you can see the last name went to the status, which I don't like. So what you need to do first, you basically need to make space here, so I will move this one to the right, and now I will do what I showed seconds ago. So select these columns, go to the data and then split to text column like that and separate by space. And we have now in one columns we have names, and then in this second one we have last names. So now the second option we have here, the dynamic wave formula. So we can use that if we want the first and last name to update automatically if you change the original full name cell. So let's click the empty cell where you want the first name to go. So I want here let's say E, and now I will enter here this formula, this one here, like that, and then press enter. The first name will stay in cell uh, to like that, and as you can see now the name was original is here, and now we have separated basically in these two cells first name and last name. What we can do now is just simply select both of them, and now we can drag down, and as you can see we have made for all these names this kind of uh, settings. So the formula here is equal split, then parentheses, and then we have A2 and that. So you can copy just that and it should work as I show you right over here. Now to extract just the first name, what we can do is basically here I will select another one and I will use this formula here. So let me show you like that. As you can see it's already working, so it's left and then A2, find it, and then the last name it's not selected, so because of that I just see the first name, and now I can drag it and it will be just the first names listed in these columns. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.